Hi guys, so in this video we're going to see a shoe which I was bought in Ajio. The shoe was mustard color, which was very comfortable to walk. And the actual price was 2000, but I was bought this in offer for 600 rupees. So you should try this. If you need to buy a shoe, you can just try this. You can see this. If you're going to buy a shoe, if your perfect match was not found, you should buy a bigger size. Don't buy a smaller size. I suggest you to buy a big size of the shoe so that it will be very comfortable to you and it will get adjusted. I have given the description below. If you wanted to buy this product, you can buy using my code and you will get 100 rupees off. Thank you for watching my video.